Hello friends, welcome to BET 2017 DBT's JRF exam solved question papers. Please like our YouTube channel and subscribe it. Question: the activity of enzyme X, total volume 5.3 ml, is 2.34 micromoles of product formed per minute. The total protein content of this solution is 0.8 milligram. What is specific activity? To solve these sorts of questions, we should first know what is actually specific activity. Specific activity is the measurement of the purity of an enzyme solution. It is used in protein isolation methods to indicate percentage of purification you are getting. It is the amount of product formed by an enzyme in a given amount of time under given conditions per milligram of total protein. Amount of product formed per time is referred to as an enzyme unit and is typically given in micromoles per minute or nanomoles per minute. This is a rate of reaction that is assumed to be proportional to the amount of specific enzyme catalyst. Total protein is expressed as milligram per ml. Therefore, specific activity is calculated by dividing the number of units per ml by protein concentration in mg per ml to get micromole per minute per mg. So, uh, we see here specific activity is the amount of product formed by an enzyme in a given unit of time under given conditions per milligram. And what is enzyme unit? Amount of product formed per unit time. So amount of product formed per unit time is enzyme unit, and if we divide the enzyme unit by per milligram of the total protein, and we will get specific activity. So it is here it is said that specific activity is calculated. How it is calculated? It is calculated by dividing the enzyme unit by protein concentration in mg per ml. So we are exactly going to do this to obtain our answer. So here it is the specific activity. Specific activity equal to enzyme units per ml divided by protein concentration in mg per ml. So let me first of all take a marker from here. Now I have taken the marker. So specific activity equal to enzyme units per ml divided by protein concentration in mg per ml. See here total volume is 5.3 ml and it is same. If enzyme units have been described in different volume and protein concentration in different volume, then we would have to consider this per ml unit. But here it is same. We will see it how. So enzyme unit equal to amount of product formed per unit time. So amount of product formed is 2.34 micromoles of product formed per minute. इतना product per minute बना. So we will write 2.3 micromoles per 1 minute or per minute. So this is our enzyme unit per 5.3 ml. So specific activity enzyme units per ml divided by protein concentration per ml. So we will here we will write this unit enzyme unit. It's 2.34 micromole per minute and कितने वॉल्यूम में है ये 5.3 ml में. So this is right R. And now we will divide by कितना प्रोटीन है सोल्यूशन में. It's 0.8 mg 5.3 ml. So again we are considering the same solution. So total protein estimation के लिए यही solution इस्तेमाल हुआ है. अगर इसका कुछ fraction लेके तो हमें फिर यहाँ पे उसकी वैल्यू लिखनी पड़ती. अगर मान लिया 0.34 mg in 2 ml of this solution, sir, so we would have to consider here this value. But as in our question these values are same, we will cancel out them and then we will solve 2.34 micromole per minute divided by 0.8 mg, and on solving we get 2.93 micromoles per minute per mg. So what is our right answer? It's A. So this is how we will solve the questions related to specific activity and enzyme unit. Point to be noted is that for these sorts of question you should be very clear in your mind what is specific activity, what is enzyme unit, and why specific activity is so important. Again, specific activity is so important in protein isolation because it indicates the percentage of purification what we are getting. Please like our YouTube channel and subscribe to it. Next time we will bring you some more such questions and with some more great concepts. Thank you, friends.